What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and today we have a new dance tutorial for you. The title of the song is La Romana by Bad Bunny. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, let's start. So for this one, you're gonna close your feet. Open your feet. So you're gonna go cross your legs. So 1, lean to your right, 2, cross, down and punch. One more time, let's do it slowly. 7 and cross. 1, put your weight to your right, going up, cross, down and 4. Okay? So from here you're gonna go 5, 6, punch 7 and 8. Okay, that's right. One more time. 5, 6, 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Next, for this one, you're gonna go slide 1, 2. Lower, 3, punch 4. Okay, that's right. 6, 7, and slide 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then go point 5, 6, 7, 8. Close on 1, not on 2. Let's try faster on the second part. Second 8, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. By the way, this one you're gonna use your hips. 1, 2, back, and close, not. All right, next from here you're gonna go away, back, goes like 3, 4, down on 5. Lift on 6, brush 7, 8. One more time. So 7, not away. 1, 2, left, raise your knee. 5, 7, 8. Sorry, 7, 8. All right. Next, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6, 7, hit an 8. One more time. 6, 7, and to the front. 1, 2, 2 counts. Then 3, 4. Close on 5. Watch my knee. 6, isolation. 6, 7, and 8. All right. Let's try again faster. 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 7, 8. All right, from here. Next, shoulder. Right, left, go up. So 1 and 2. That's 2 counts. 6, 7, and 1 and 2. Okay, next. Watch my leg. 3. Put it back. And 4. Goes like this. Again. 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Okay, next from here, 5. So put your weight to your right, 5, down on 6, use your shoulder, circle, like circle, 8. Then open, none. One more time from here, 7 and 8, shoulder, 1 and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, open, none. Good job. Okay, let's try from the beginning. Ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready? All right, 5. Let's do it from the beginning. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, not 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Open. 9. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to watch the same tutorial, hip hop, sexy, you just go to my channel, go to the playlist and find the tutorial there. Okay? So see you next time. Bye bye.